Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted to become a data analysis expert in just 30 days, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step plan that will transform you into a data wizard. Ready? Let's dive in. Day 1 to 5, start with the basics. Get familiar with Excel or Google Sheets. These tools are the bread and butter of data analysis. Learn how to input data, use basic formulas, and create simple charts. Practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting. Day 6 to 10, it's time to level up with SQL. SQL is the language of databases. Head over to websites like Code Academy or Khan Academy and start their SQL courses. Focus on understanding select statements, joins, and basic data manipulation. Day 11 to 15. Get friendly with Python. Python is incredibly powerful for data analysis. Begin with libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Learn to import data, perform simple operations, and visualize it using Matplotlib or Seaborn. Check out free resources on YouTube or Coursera. Day 16 to 20. Now integrate what you've learned. Take real-world datasets and start analyzing them. Websites like Kaggle have tons of datasets to practice with. Create your own projects. This will give you hands-on experience and boost your confidence. Day 21 to 25. Master data visualization. Tools like Tableau or Power BI are game changers. They help you present data in a compelling way. Learn how to create dashboards and tell a story with your data. There are plenty of tutorials online to guide you. Day 26 to 28. Focus on advanced analytics techniques. Learn about regression analysis, clustering, and maybe even dip your toes in machine learning. There are fantastic courses on Udemy and Coursera that cover these topics in depth. Day 29. Polish your skills by working on a capstone project. Choose a dataset, analyze it, and present your findings as if you were in a professional setting. This is your chance to showcase everything you've learned. Day 30. Reflect and plan ahead. Review what you've accomplished and identify areas where you can improve. Make a plan for continuous learning. Data analysis is an ever-evolving field, and staying updated is key. And there you have it, a 30-day roadmap to becoming a data analysis expert. Remember, consistency is crucial. Dedicate time each day, and you'll see amazing progress. Keep practicing, stay curious, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll be back with more tips and tricks to help you on your journey. See you next time.